One thing that stand out the Buddha is the Sampa Semke. And as we mentioned back, one of the main defining features of the Buddha Dharma Buddhists follow is the belief in the Le Jumde. But the belief in the Le Jumde is not restricted to just offering karma or doing money or killing some in this dikpa. It means that everything we do arises from causal conditions. In a simple way, I say that I jokingly joke with the Westerner, they are not used to Le Jumde. I always say, in the morning if you have argument with your wife, evening you will not get dinner. That is Le Jumde. Le Jumde is not very complicated thing. So that's also the why I think the Buddhism, we have a lot of freedom, because we say that Guru Rinpoche, Buddhas and Lam Rinpoche never judge you. But you have to know that every action that you do has the consequences. In a society, in your organization, within your personal life, even your health, what you eat, how you think, what mentally you consume. Social media, through what you consume, transforms your belief, your values. So everything that we do, say, has consequences. And that is meaning of the Le Jumde. Say Le Jumde, is everything we do. Even the construction, there's a Le Jumde. If there's engineer will look at the thing, I think looks like the beam is a bit too weak. It will not be able to take the weight of the floor. That is Le Jumde, cause and conditions. So I think that the inner transformation, if we have that Sampa Semke, good compassion plus the wisdom, then whatever we do, it's not coming out of blindness, but it's coming out of a positive intention and with wisdom. And then the word that we say is arising. Word we are saying is not out of hatred, not out of ignorance, but every word we say will be used as in a way that has impact on other person. And it is true, the words have so much impact. And every action we do will have an impact. And every action we do not do also has an impact. So transformation of the individual mind leads to individual's behavior, speech, and that I think can have many chain effects in the society.